Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are in the sawmill trying to get going on getting this beam that I have in the sawmill where I bring my logs. So we just finished making an 8x8 post, and that will be going in this hole right here that I dug out with the excavator. We'll be putting another 8x8 post over there. And as you can see, we took the beam out and I had to have it kind of secured by these 2x6s to hold up the roof. And we're going to put in the 6x6s in those holes. And then we're going to end up with these 2x12s as a beam across the top. So that's what's going on today. At least a portion of this job is going on today. This has been going on even for a few days now. I do a little bit here and a little bit there. And I'm not sure when I'll get it done, but I hope to get it done soon. And we'll keep working at it. And I've got to take this post that I just sawed out of here and bring in another log to saw one more 8x8 for the posts. So I'll try to keep you updated as the days go on this project. Go over there and look at that back side. I don't want it to slide off the rock.
Okay. A little bit more, like 2 inches, 1 inch maybe. Whoa, you're very on the edge. One corner is almost off the edge.
That's okay. That's okay. Need to go in here.
It doesn't look it to me, but maybe. I was thinking this way doesn't look right.
The bottom's where I want it.
Okay.
Should we put a level on here just to see how perfect it is, Jay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, we need at least a tape measure. Let me measure this up here to see where we're at as far as that goes. I think this end could possibly be shoved up to, there's a little give to this. Okay. Oh yeah, we're 12 and a, well, 12 and an eighth and 12. So it's an eighth an inch difference, but we surely can live with that. We'll make it work. Okay. Hop on one right now because we're ready. Yes, hi. We are going to start on these 2x12s. All we need is your muscles. Okay, thanks. Bye. Can you get out of here? Can you get down there? I gotta climb over the roof to get out of here. Oh. Fun. All right. I can set mine on. Okay. I think I got it. Yeah. Okay. So we'll lift it again and get a little more height. Yeah. that needs to be down there. Yeah, just back up a little bit. It's okay. In the middle, I can grab it.
On this 7 inches and off 1 inch, so.
Okay. You want me to sledgehammer that? Just
You gotta take that slide down here, chop it that way.
try and get it down here.
That's good.
That back one too, or no?
If you want them perfect, both the middle one's a 1/4 inch past either of these.
You know I want everything perfect. You know me better than that. I like that. Looks great. Looks great. Almost like it'd be good to push that center in. And that post too. Can I get up there, Jay? I want to see if I can pound that over. Maybe I should let Owen do it.
I can do it if you want me to.
Well, we need to hold this post.
Do you want me to come
Jay,
over there?
If you just hold it post.
I just don't want this thing falling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just hold that post just as I can pound this a little bit tighter. You know, push that towards me, yeah. There. I'm tight here, you tight there.
Yes.
Is it gonna be wiser to get the roof dropped before we?
Yeah, the only thing if we could get, I don't know if you want to try to get that in the middle
Yeah.
in a little bit.
But how to keep it in until we drop the roof onto it?
I mean, if you have a 20 penny nail and that pry bar and a hammer, we could do it.
Maybe, yeah. Let me go get a nail. Also come and push it with a fork. And there's a couple nails. And then that would tie it, push it in together, right? Well, I see. Clever. Yeah. Oh, we need. What's the safest way to drop it down and put the weight on it? Pound these out underneath it or lift up with the skid steer?
I'd say just pick up a tiny bit on the beam, skid steer, take the blocks out.
That's how you do it with some good neighbors and good friends.
That's for sure.
That was out away from the
Yeah, we can pound it in with this.
split in.
I pulled that out.
Oh, you did?
When I came out, I pulled that
Oh,
out.
okay.
Put the sledgehammer on the top of it.
Yeah, back in there.
I'm pretty sure.
Probably had to screw them together, huh?
And I'll put the old nails right through it. How heavy should I put nails on there? An idiot.
You know, put 3 nails every 2 or 3 feet. I don't know.
Yeah, just 3 nails down there, yeah.
I mean, code would tell you to put 6 nails every foot.
We like to follow code. Wow, thank you so much for coming up, Owen.
Yeah.
I'm not saying we couldn't have done it alone, but it was sure a heck of a lot easier having you do it.
Those are heavy.
They are.
What is that, hemlock?
And it's 20. It's just 20 foot 8.
So how big is your opening?
20 feet. No, it'd be just shy of
Just
20.
shy of 20, so you can rock a 20
I-
footer in there.
Yeah.
What was it before?
18.
And those are actually set,
About 4 feet down.
so you can't actually move them. Good.
Yeah, because
The other time if they're sitting on concrete, you'd bump them, right?
Well, yeah, but when we took this out, we lifted the roof up there, and the whole thing just fell right out. Because the blocks, they were sitting on blocks right at ground level. I didn't realize that, and well, I guess I did realize that.
I remembered when I think I was here the last time we did this, and they're just like,
They went by for years. So I thank you very much.
Thank you, Owen.